Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.4 trillion. We're up 6.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44%. If we're looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of green across the board. And as I have been mentioning over the past few days, a lot of analysts are calling this to be the next leg up for the cryptocurrency space. And that's exactly what we are seeing right now. We're seeing a lot of coins going in deep green. So very exciting times ahead for the entire cryptocurrency space. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 20.6 cents. It's up 3.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's down 1.5% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on Coin Market Cap and on CoinGecko is top 15. Market cap right now is $13.4 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $2.5 billion. So everything is looking not so bad. If we're looking at the bigger picture, guys, and in just the last year alone, Vechain is still up a staggering 4,600%, and in the last 30 days, 120 percent. In the last 14 days, we did see some sort of shake off, but nothing to worry about in my opinion. I still believe we are about to see some newer all-time highs this month. But now let's jump into this. Jimmy, two times on Twitter, came out and said, want to learn about implemented valuable use cases of blockchain by enterprises? Check out the interview below to learn how companies like H&M, Walmart, Bayer, and hospitals in Cyprus all build solutions on VeChain. And if you are a VeChain holder and if you're new to the markets and you would like to learn some more things about VeChain, and how these organizations are really using a VeChain, a blockchain. This is a very interesting interview that I strongly encourage each and every one of you guys to take your time out and watch it. I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys to check out this interview, so it will be easier for you guys to find. So definitely recommend all the VeChain holders and anyone that is part of the community to check this out. Very interesting. And also today, VeChain reached 150,000 subscribers on Reddit. Absolutely insane, guys. This goes to show the community is getting larger and larger day by day. And this goes to show we are seeing a lot of newcomers coming into the market. So very interesting times ahead for the cryptocurrency space. But now let's jump into the charts and see what VeChain is doing. So what is VeChain doing? So yesterday, if you guys don't know, earlier yesterday we did see some sort of pullback in Bitcoin's price, meaning Bitcoin was trading at $58,000. It went down to $54,000. And as I mentioned on my channel day by day, that in these markets we cannot control these kind of pullbacks, especially when it comes to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at the end of the day is the leading indicator of the cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin went down from 58,000 to 54,000. This could be caused by some institutionals taking money, or some big whale accounts taking money. So in that case, if that went down, altcoins went down with it, and VeChain went down also, and VeChain went all the way down to 18.3 cents, guys. But there's a strong level of support, as you guys can see, around those levels. But it was not a big shake off, just a small mini correction. These occur almost every, it can occur almost every day, in my opinion. But see, it was bought back up very quickly, and we're back up to where we were. And I believe, as I have been mentioning over the last few days, the cryptocurrency market's momentum is literally absolutely insane. We are seeing some coins skyrocketing. They're hitting their all-time highs after all-time highs, and we're seeing a lot of interest coming in from newcomers now as well. I was just talking to a few of my friends last night, and they were talking about Dogecoin, and that's like absolutely insane. These guys never got into crypto or anything like that, but now they are all into Dogecoin, which I do not recommend. But at the end of the day, if you're a Dogecoin holder, it's all up to you. But these guys are all talking about Dogecoin. Like people, like the whole, like initially the whole world is talking about cryptocurrency. That's how crazy this parabolic mania really is. And I believe the parabolic run hasn't even really started, like the one that we saw back in 2017. And a lot of analysts are calling that parabolic run to start very soon. And if that were to occur, guys, the prices will go absolutely insane. And as I mentioned, we are seeing a lot of new money coming into the markets, and that is good for every project, especially good projects like Vechain, Cardano, Polkadot. So very interesting times ahead. So right now, if we're looking at ADA's, I'm sorry, VeChain's price right now, VeChain is literally sitting in that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and it's doing exactly what we want it to be doing. If you guys have been watching my videos over the last few days, I initially said we could be trading it sideways for a while and go back onto this level and see some choppiness around here, and we saw that exactly happen. And I also said we couldn't even go back down to this level in this green 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. If we are even trading around that, very very healthy in my opinion. So far everything is playing out, and now we're going back in towards this price range of 22 cents level. And I believe if we're able to break that this time, and if we're able to get a spike of volume to kick in like this, it's just a matter of time before we head towards our newer all-time high, and 30 cents is my next target. And I believe this is the month of May where we are about to see some crazy price action for VeChain and newer all-time highs. I'm very very confident about that, considering the fact that we're seeing a lot of interest coming into the markets, and projects like VeChain with a real use case, real a project that's solving real world problems, and on top of that bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. These kind of projects will succeed long term, not only this bull cycle. And a lot of people are talking about VeChain now as well. As you guys may know, if you don't know, there's a crypto content creator named BitBoy Crypto. He is the largest cryptocurrency YouTuber, in the space right now, and he covered VeChain, and he has a lot of power because a lot of people follow him. And as soon as he covered, a lot of people started buying up VeChain, and that initially created this small, rally over here. But we were rejected here because I did expect some choppiness around here, and that's what we saw. But I believe this goes to show we are seeing a lot of interest coming in, not from only from influencer side, but from bigger people as well. Some big celebrities, and TikTok. A lot of TikTokers are talking about VeChain. So the hype is building up. So everything is looking very very nice for VeChain right now, guys. All the VeChain holders, I believe it's just a matter of time. This is the month where we finally smash past our all-time high and head towards 30 cents. But now let's look at the obviously the bearish scenario to play out. So if the bearish scenario were to play out, we could head towards this level at that point 50, which is 17.8 cents. If that's unable to hold, this is a very strong level of support around that point 15.5 cents. If that were to happen, we always have to keep it realistic, guys. We cannot always be aiming for shooting up high. As of now, definitely the probabilities of shooting up high and seeing newer highs is way higher than going down, due to the fact that the momentum of the whole entire cryptocurrency market is very very strong and bullish. But we cannot overlook the bearish scenario, because we never know when some big whale accounts could manipulate the markets. And if that were to occur, yes, definitely there is a downwards trend for every altcoin, but it's a temporary downwards trend. As you guys can see, these kind of wicks occur, but they last couple of seconds, but we get bought back up very quickly. So in this sense, if this kind of correction were to occur, like some flash crash for Bitcoin, yeah, we can definitely go back down to these levels, 15.5 cents. If that's unable to hold, we can even go down all the way to 13 cents. As of now, I do not see that happening, but there's always a possibility. And in this case, if you are new to this channel, guys, if you are new to this channel and you have invested what you can afford to lose, and you have done your due diligence, guys, holding strong and having patience would be your number one key to follow. You guys do not want to be shaken out because markets do recover. And also, I keep on saying this over and over again, but I know a lot of newcomers coming onto my channel. Guys, nothing is gonna go up straight forever, and there's always going to be some shake-offs and consolidation areas that do occur in cryptocurrencies. So as long as you have done your due diligence and research, holding is your number one key, and your patience will be rewarded. And also, if you bought back up Vechain all the way back, when it was below a penny, you guys should definitely have some sort of exit strategy in place if the money that you have invested is too much that you cannot afford to lose. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But everything right now is looking very, very bullish for Vechain. You guys know my stance on Vechain. I believe this project is here to stay, and it will be one of the top cryptocurrencies in the next 3 to 5 years. And considering what they are doing, and if they keep on doing that, I do not see why that cannot happen. And also, I believe Vechain will get listed on Coinbase this year. I am very, very confident about that. Because, like I said, real world problems it's solving, it has a real use case. It has a real use case, and also it is bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. I cannot be more bullish, and I just believe it's just a matter of time. Coinbase should list them, but only time will tell. And if we're looking at this, we can go and look at Vechain Google Trends right now and see what it's looking like. So if we're looking at Vechain's Google Trends right now, Google Trends for Vechain right now are looking like they are making a reversal back towards its all-time high, which we just saw on April 11th. But as more and more people start talking about it, which a lot of people are already talking about it, we will see some newer highs in searches as well on Google Trends. But with that being said, guys, I think this is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see Vechain being traded at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And before I end this video, guys, stay safe out there. Safety is the most important thing. Health and family and everything else absolutely comes later. And also, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me on a continuous basis. Like each and every one of you guys, like I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys. Like, you guys really show me so much support, and I care for each and every one of you guys. And like, thank you once again. And also, guys, before I end this video, again, a quick reminder: strongly encourage you guys to go watch this interview. Very, very interesting, especially if you are a Vechain holder. And lastly, I've been getting a lot of requests on my channel to have make some sort of official a group chat for the channel. So I'm deciding between Telegram or Discord. If you have not voted, go onto my community page and vote down below, and let me know where which platform I should use to make this group chat, Telegram or Discord. Let me know by voting, and we will do exactly that. But with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.